Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to save or convert WebP to PNG or JPEG on Windows 11 or 10. For instance, I have one image that is in WebP format and I want to convert in PNG or JPEG. So right click on this image that you want to convert in JPEG or PNG and select open with option and then paint option. If you don't find paint option, click on this one, choose another app, and here you will see a long list of the apps. Here you will find paint app. Click on this one just once or always option. Then the selected WebP image will open in paint application on your PC. Here click on this one file menu, then select save as option, and here you can see PNG, JPG, BMP, zip, and you can also save your WebP image in other format that you want. However, at this time I want to save this one image as PNG, so select here PNG option. If you want, change the name of the file and the location of the file. If you don't want to change anything, it will be saved in the same location where your WebP image exists. Finally, click on this one save button and you will find image on your PC and in JPEG or PNG format, and you can easily share with others and they can open it using any image viewer application without any issues. Thanks for watching this video.